Karen, the self-appointed queen of the Willow Creek HOA, never met a rule she didn't like to enforce, especially when it involved our family. Our property had been in our name for generations, yet she insisted we comply with every petty regulation she dreamed up. It started with a letter about our garden fence, too high and not in line with community aesthetics. We ignored it. Then came the notice about the color of our front door, not HOA approved. Still nothing. We thought the constant fines and threats were more annoying than serious. That's when Karen decided to escalate. She showed up unannounced one afternoon, clipboard in hand, and demanded we remove the vegetable garden beds we'd planted months earlier. "We don't recognize those beds," she said haughtily. "They're not in the approved landscape plan." My father, a retired judge, calmly asked for her legal authority. My mother, an environmental lawyer, pointed out state laws protecting personal property rights. My brother, a civil litigation attorney, pulled out a binder filled with HOA bylaws, none of which justified her demands. Karen didn't have a leg to stand on, so she did what she always did. She called the cops and reported refusal to comply with HOA regulations. When the officers arrived, they found a united front. For attorneys standing in our living room, calmly explaining that HOA rules cannot override property law or state statutes. One officer whispered to Karen, "You're going to need a lawyer for this." Karen's face turned crimson, and she muttered something about taking this to court. Funny thing, we already had. We filed a countersuit for harassment, illegal fines, and abuse of authority. Our family's legal expertise made the HOA's usual intimidation tactics crumble like dry leaves. Over the next few months, the HOA dropped every charge and withdrew all fines. Karen was forced to resign, replaced by a board more reasonable and respectful of residents' rights. Our garden bed stayed, the front door remained its bold teal, and Karen learned the hard way that sometimes the people you try to bully have a courtroom waiting for you.